So in this, we are going to figure out how to multiply. So personally, I like putting the small number on the bottom just because it makes it have a few less things you need to multiply out. So the first thing we want to do is 4 times 8, 4 times 3, 4 times 2, and 4 times 5. So 4 times 8 would be 32. Carry the 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus your 3 is 15. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus your 1 is 9. 4 times 5 is 20. Now, always do the extra little 0 to account for the place value. Now we have to go 1 times 8, 1 times 3, 1 times 2, 1 times 5. Which, in this case, is easy because it's 1. 1 times 8 is 8, 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 5 is 5. Now we add it up. 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 8 is 13. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 3 is 13. 1 plus 3 is 3, and 2 plus 5 is 7. So therefore, 5,238 times 14 should equal 73,332. In the next example, we are going to do 235 times 621. And since they both have the same amount of digits, it does not matter which one you put on the top or the bottom. So I'm going to start with this. So 1 times 5, 1 times 3, 1 times 2 is going to be what's in the first column, first row. So 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 2 is 2. Don't forget to account for the place value. Now 2 times 5 is 10, carry the 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 2 times 2 is 4. Now don't forget to account for the double place value since now we're multiplying something by the hundreds. So 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 3 would be 21. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 2 would be your 14. Now make sure we add all of these up. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 0 is 3. 2 plus 7 plus 0 is 9. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4, 1. So therefore, 235 times 321 should equal 145,935.